We started off our final design challenge by researching different off-campus nonprofit organizations. We narrowed it down to the Children's Project of Honduras. For our brainstorming process, we emailed back and forth with a woman named Jenny Katz to better understand her needs. When we decided to talk to her on FaceTime, she had two main problems. The first was to set up a table on campus to help get volunteers to go to Honduras. The second was designing a sustainable garden that would feed her 60 kids, as well as teach them valuable farming skills. We brainstormed some ideas about what type of crops to grow and how to keep wildlife away. We talked to a professor named Professor Cease from the School of Life Sciences. She helped with some suggestions about how to get rid of snakes, and that was by maintaining the weeds. She gave us a list of plants and crops that work best, and we also offered for her to plant some coffee beans as a cash crop. From there, we went into rapid prototyping. Each group member was assigned to draw a rough sketch of the dedicated 15 acres of land. We narrowed it down to one and decided to show it to her in our next meeting. This was the testing portion of our process. She really liked the design and had a few suggestions like adding more plantain trees and less cornrows, as that was more appropriate for their diet. She also liked that we added crops like pumpkins and carrots because these were not in their diets before. We made our refinements and showed her our final product. On her next visit to Honduras in April, she will be setting up 2 of the 4 sections we drew for her. From there, provided that the 2 fields had great success, she would add the second 2 fields.